So guys, as you can see, we're in the RX7. We are headed to Engage to drop off the car for a alignment. And as you can see, we got a bucket seat in here now. The comfort of getting in and out of this car is kind of crazy, but we're gonna solve it with the quick release and possibly drilling more holes into the sliders to get a better fitment for the seat, because right now I think I'm too close. Somebody stuns me up. Right now I'm too close to the steering wheel. So yeah, once I get that adapter, it's gonna put the steering wheel even more in my lap. So we gotta figure out a way on how to move the seat back. But it stopped raining. It was raining just a second ago. It stopped now. Hopefully it continues to not rain, but we'll see. But yeah, once we get there, I'll have them explain what they're gonna do, and yeah, we should be good. The car should be set up with everything. So yeah, see you guys soon. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's been a minute since the update on the RX7. So right now I'm heading up to Engage to drop off more parts for the RX7. Specifically tie rod ends, the ins and outers, and the steering rack bushings that I pick up from Atkins. I'm also dropping off some Endless CRG pads for the front and rear, and the NRG quick release, because the last time that I spoke to y'all, I couldn't get out the seat without like slithering out. So we're going up there to drop parts off now. This should be the last time I drop off any parts for the RX7. Fingers crossed, because it should be done this week. However, I am going on a work trip for about 2 weeks, so I mean, it gives them more time to finish the car with the setup. And then when I get back, I'll probably go straight to the ring and do some laps and see how the car has improved. So yeah, we got all the parts. We're about 30 minutes out, and we have we have some of the money as requested. And then if you guys want to know, I'll give you the breakdown of how much everything costs in the end. So yeah, once I get there, hopefully I'll be able to record some to show you guys what has happened so far. And then the next time I see you guys, hopefully it's a finished project for the RX7, because I mean, pretty much all the suspension work will be done. I already have new tires and new wheels. You guys seen that. No engine things right now. I'm gonna just run it until it dies, and then we can go either V-mount or single. I love the twins. I love the response that you get from them. So I'm not sure if I want to go single yet, but also, like, I can't update the system because the system is, what, 20 something years old by now. So yeah. What else? No updates on the Premiere just of yet. I got a video in mind, or a video series for the Premiere that I want to do before I leave. So hopefully I can start getting those videos done soon as well. I think you guys will enjoy it. But yeah, I think the next thing for the Premiere is upgraded pads, lines, and fluids. I have yet to change the fluid because when I got the car, all the fluids were new. They just did a service on it. So while I do the oil, I'll do a brake fluid flush. And yeah, and then we'll put the upgrades on it. But for now, let's drop these parts off at Engage and let's see what's done on the car so far. Real quick, guys, RX7 is back. Just picked it up. We're about to do some laps on the ring real quick. With all its new mods and shit. So afterwards, I'll tell you guys what's been done. Go ahead. Alright boys, here we go. I don't think I'm gonna wait for Tim, but you know what I mean. shout out to them.